Microsoft Flow is a cloud-based software tool that allows users to create and automate workflows across multiple applications and services without the need for developer help. Automated workflows are called flows. To create a flow, the user specifies what action should take place when a specific event occurs. In this course, you will learn how to use Microsoft Flow and all its important features. You will learn how to create a flow and how to use different connectors. We'll first get started by talking about the types of flows and how to run a flow. Next, we'll get into how to create flows from a template and take you through connecting with SharePoint, creating approval flows, and using mobile apps. We'll explore how to use the Flow mobile app to do things like track working hours. Then you will learn how to create an approval flow, including how to define the trigger, add actions, and set conditions. By the end of this course, you will be able to create and manage Flow from desktop, laptop, or mobile devices and connect with multiple services such as SharePoint, Twitter, Facebook, and other networking sites.